The one tool you must have if you want to find high quality keywords super fast is Semrush. It's more expensive than Keyword Revealer and costs about $70 a month for the Pro plan. You can do keyword research without it, but what you can accomplish using Semrush in about 10 minutes might take you several hours or even days without this tool, and that is not an exaggeration. Semrush is commonly used for PPC research, but it can just as well be used for researching organic results, and it is very, very powerful when used the right way. This tool will help you find scores, even hundreds of great keywords in just a few minutes, something that would take you a lot of time without it. This tool saves you a ton of time for a relatively small monthly fee. If you are really serious about building Amazon affiliate sites, this is one tool you absolutely must have in your toolbox. Now, if you are on a budget, you can sign up for a month and use it in the time to do all the research you want, and then cancel your subscription. This tool is so powerful that within a day's time, you can research several niches and find hundreds of very high quality keywords. You can cancel your subscription until you get all the pages built and then sign up again after a few months when you need to do keyword research again. What you can do with Semrush, you cannot do with any other tool on the market now. In this course, we will be using both Semrush and Keyword Revealer. Together, they are an awesome pair. They will help you find the best keywords to target in just about any niche you can think of, and together, they are so powerful that you can complete your keyword research and build your site's blueprint in just 2 to 3 days, something that would be impossible to do in such a short time without these tools. We will be seeing how to use these two tools together in the next few videos.